Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with a new video. So today I'm talking about the Quran, the light of Quran, the love of Quran in your life. I love that book, Quran, and I make dua for myself that I love my Quran and I learn it correctly and I live my life according to what Allah has mentioned in Quran. So what is love of Quran? Love of Quran is everything. Love of Quran is love to read the Quran, love to hear the Quran, love to understand the Quran, love to understand what Allah has mentioned, all the orders in it, and we try to implement it in our everyday lives as much as we can. I know it's difficult, but it's not that difficult. If you try, you can do it. And it's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful book. And those people who say that, especially when I hear somebody who doesn't believe in God, atheist or somebody, and I think about it, I say, I wish I can tell them, if you want to know Allah, read the book. These are the words directly given to us by angel Jibrail, and they are so beautiful, and every word has such a deep meaning into it. We can't even live our lives just understanding the whole Quran. It's like it's so much knowledge, such a big range of knowledge, and it's just Alhamdulillah. I been trying to learn it. I did the tafsir, and every time I do the tafsir over and over again, sometimes we do Dura Quran, which is fast version of tafsir in Ramadan, and every time you find out beautiful new stuff, and it gives you happiness that okay. And sometimes because we are human, we forget, and it's a good way to remember all the stuff you'd already know. Is just refreshing your memory. And especially in Ramadan, the reading the Quran, it has a lot of jaza. Allah is gonna give the jaza for Oda and everything else in Ramadan you do. The shaitan is not working to sway you off your ibadah. So try to read as much as Quran as possible. And the thing is, I notice, Alhamdulillah, more you read Quran in the house, more you put tilawah in the house, you feel like tranquility in your house, like a peace in the house. And sometimes if you go to somebody who is reading Quran and religious, and they memorize Quran, they always playing Quran, and you go to their house and you feel like a peace. You can feel the feeling of that house. And sometimes you go to somebody's house who are not very close with the book, and you can feel it, like it's everything is like spread out, and it's just it's not very peaceful. And so this book, mashallah, it has such a good effect in the house. uh, you should constantly have it for tilawah played, even if you are not home. That's what I say. Even if you're home, if you're not home, quietly, loudly. And what I do is, alhamdulillah, they have so many those channels on YouTube that have the memorizing the Quran. They repeat each line 5 times, and then they connect it with another line 5 times, and they say it 5 times again. Like, it's such a nice thing if you just let it play in the kitchen while you are cooking and doing your work, and you're still, trying to memorize. And that's what I do. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I really, really love that. And because you memorize a surah and then you forget if you don't, apply it, read it in prayer, and you forget. And then if you keep playing it, you memorize it this way. So I talk in Urdu now. So मैं कह रही थी कि अल्लाह ताला ने जो हमारी किताब है कुरान, उससे प्यार करने की अपने लिए आप दुआ करें कि उससे प्यार करें, हम बुक से प्यार करें। और वो बुक से प्यार क्या है कि आपको दिल चाहे कि आप कुरान शरीफ पढ़ें, आपका दिल चाहे कि आप समझें उसमें क्या है, आपका दिल चाहे कि आप उसको सही तरीके से तजवीद के साथ पढ़ें और अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करें अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में। तो और इससे जो आप प्ले करते हैं सारा दिन या जितना भी आपके पास टाइम हो, कभी आहिस्ता से लगाए रखें, कभी ज़ोर से आवाज़ में लगाएं, कभी याद करने के लिए लगाएं, किचन में काम कर रहे हैं तो यूट्यूब में इतनी वो मैं कह रही थी कि चैनल्स हैं कि आप याद करने के लिए भी लगा सकते हैं। तो ये है कि फिर आप ये है कि यू कैन फील द ट्रैंक्विलिटी, यू कैन फील द पीस जब कुरान शरीफ आपके घर में ज़्यादा लगा होता है। तो ये एक बहुत ही यानी सुबहान अल्लाह, सुबहान अल्लाह, यू कैन फील दैट दिस फीलिंग्स। आई लव दिस काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग। कभी किसी के घर जाएं और आप वो फीलिंग्स आप फील करें कि हाँ इस घर में कुरान शरीफ पढ़ा जाता है। और इसी तरह कई दफ़ा होता है कि जो नफ्स है वो दिल नहीं करता, कहता नहीं अभी नहीं पढ़ना, बाद में पढ़ना है ये वो। लेकिन ये नफ्स की भी जहाद जो है ना, वो हर वक्त जारी रहती है। अपने आप को कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि अपने लिए दुआ करें, नफ्स के लिए दुआ करें, अपनी पढ़ने पढ़ाने के लिए दुआ करें, इबादत के लिए दुआ करें। जो मैंने वो दुआ के लिए आपको कहा था कि अपने लिए दुआ करें, तो उसका एक ये भी है कि आप दूसरों के लिए दुआ करते हैं तो फरिश्ते आपके लिए दुआ करते हैं। तो कोशिश करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने लिए भी दुआ करें। और क्या मैं कह रही थी। सो आई थिंक आज का ये टॉपिक लव ऑफ कुरान, I really want you to read a lot of the Quran in this Ramadan, and after Ramadan try to keep up with it, read few lines every day. That is a really good habit, and I need to apply that for myself. Alhamdulillah. Allergy season, so excuse me for that. So I think that's it for today's video. Inshallah, I will come back with another video. Assalamu alaikum.